Good morning, students. Now let us discuss exercise 2.1, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems. Okay. What is the third one? Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. First, you have to know what is the coefficient, what is the exponent. I will explain you. A into x power n. This is a term, one term. A into x power n. A is coefficient, n is exponent of x. Okay. Coefficient of x, coefficient of x power n is a. Exponent or power. Exponent of x is n. We can say exponent or power. Now see, here third one, write the coefficients of x cube. Here x cube term is there. X cube term is there. X cube. What is the coefficient?
3.
That is exponent. X power 3. This is power, exponent. Coefficient. How many x cubes are there?
1.
1 x cube. So coefficient is 1. For example, I have book. How many books?
1.
1 book. Here how many x cubes?
1.
1 x cube. So coefficient of x cube is
1.
1. So here we can write 1 x cube plus 1 into x plus 1. So coefficient of x cube is 1. So here
2.
root 2. What is the coefficient of x cube?
Root 2.
Root 2. This is coefficient. X cube. X cube coefficient root 2. Here x cube term. What is the coefficient? Pi by 2. This is called pi. Pi by 2. Now here this is a polynomial. In this x cube term is there?
Yes.
No.
No.
Where is x cube?
Why? Because
This is x square. 2x square plus 5. There is no x cube term, but we can write 2x square plus 0 into x cube. 0 into x cube 0 plus 5. So what is the x cube coefficient? 0. If the polynomial does not contain the term, indirectly that coefficient is 0. For example, in the polynomial there is no x square term. That means x square coefficient is 0. Okay. Now here 4. 4 is the constant term. There is no x cube term. So what is the coefficient of x cube? 0. Okay. There is no x cube term means x cube coefficient is 0. Now next, classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. See, classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic. What is the linear? If a polynomial has degree 1, a polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. General form ax plus b. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic. If degree 1, linear. If degree 2, quadratic. Quadratic means ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic. Cubic means power degree is 3. A polynomial with degree 3 is cubic. If degree 2, quadratic. Degree 1, linear. Okay. So you have to check whether degree is 1 or 2 or 3. If degree 1, linear. Degree 2, quadratic. If degree 3, cubic. So check here, what is the degree? What is the degree? Highest power of x. Here x power 1. Here x power 2. What is the highest? 2. 2 means quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Here
Cubic.
Yes, very good. Cubic. What is the power? 3.
Cubic. 3.
Degree 3. So cubic. Here what is the degree?
Linear.
Very good. Linear. 1. 1 means
Linear.
linear polynomial. Here what is the degree?
One.
Very good. 1. P means P power 1. 1. Degree 1. Linear polynomial. Here what is the variable?
Two.
R. R is the variable. Degree is 2.
Two.
So what is this? Quadratic.
Quadratic.
What is this formula? Pi r square is which formula? Area of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Next, fifth one. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. A binomial has two terms. Yes or no? Yes, very good. True. Bi means two. Binomial contains two terms. True. Second one. Every polynomial is binomial? No. Here this is the polynomial. How many terms? 3 terms. So this is not binomial. So every polynomial is binomial is wrong statement. Now third one. A binomial may have degree 3. Yes or no? Yes. A binomial means 2 terms. That 2 terms maybe degree is 3. For example, if you take here this how many terms? 2 terms.
Two terms.
What is the degree? 3.
Three.
So that is true statement. A binomial may have degree 3. Fourth one. A degree of 0 polynomial is 0. Is correct? What I said? 0 polynomial degree is not defined. Before not defined. So it is wrong statement. False. Fifth one. The degree of this is 2. Yes or no? Yes. X power 2. Y power 2. X into y. X into y degree means x into y.
Y.
X power 1, y power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Degree 2. So fifth one is true. Sixth one, pi r square is monomial. Monomial means contains only one term.
One.
If the polynomial contain only one term, monomial. If the polynomial contain 2 terms, binomial. If the polynomial contain 3 terms, trinomial. Very good. If the polynomial contains more than 3 terms, multinomial. Some hospitals names are called as multi-hospitals. Multi means more. Okay. Now sixth one. Give one example each of the monomial, trinomial of degree 10. So give one example of monomial with degree 10 and trinomial of degree 10. Okay. So do this problem. So I will explain trinomial. Let us take trinomial. Trinomial means how many terms?
3
3 terms. What is the degree? 10.
10.
I am taking 3 into x power 10 minus 5 into x power 2 plus 7. How many terms? 3 terms. Trinomial. What is the degree? 10. So you have to do monomial. Write the monomial of degree 10. Monomial means only one term. So you take only one term. 7 into y power 10. Degree 10. How many terms? One term. Monomial. So we completed the exercise 2.1. Next, in the next exercise, let us discuss zeros of the polynomial. Five minutes on. Zeros of polynomial. So zeros of polynomial, here let us take p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Okay. Now to understand the concept of zero of the polynomial, now let us substitute. Let us find the polynomial value at x equal to 1. How to find the polynomial value for given x values? For x equal to 1, what is the value? Replace x by 1. P of 1 equal 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 4. 1 square is 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 4. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Now substitute x equal to minus 1. P of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Plus into minus minus. 5 ones are 5 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Minus 5 equal to 0. So, by substituting x equal to minus 1, we got the polynomial value 0. So, here x equal minus 1 is called 0 of polynomial p of x. Okay. So, by substituting the zeros of a polynomial means the value of x for that the polynomial value is 0. By substituting the value of x, if you are getting the polynomial value 0, that polynomial that x value is called 0 of the polynomial. So you verify, you complete this, do these problems. Okay, everyone must do. Okay, find the values of each of the polynomials for the indicated values of the variable. X equal 1, substitute x equal 1. I will explain the second one. Q of y equal to 2y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y equal to 1. Q of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 4 into 1 plus root 11. 1 cube means 1 multiplied 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 4 plus root 11. So first write 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus root 11. That is root 11 minus 2 is the value. So complete this, do these problems. So tomorrow let us discuss zeros of polynomials and zero of the linear polynomial in one variable. Okay. Thank you, students.